In this short tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall apps on an Android device that refuse to uninstall. Sometimes, you may come across stubborn apps that simply won't go away, no matter how many times you try to remove them. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, there are simple solutions you can try. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Security and Privacy. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap Other Security Settings. And then tap Device Admin Apps. What you want to do next is find the app that you want to uninstall and then toggle off the switch next to it. Tap Deactivate. Once you've done that, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down a bit and tap Apps. Scroll down and find that exact app. And then go ahead and uninstall it. If you have an app that doesn't give you the ability to uninstall it, for example, Android Auto, you can only disable it. Just tap Disable at the bottom left. And then tap Disable App. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.